Here's a question to ponder. How does a big kid from Dieruff High School's class of 1968 become the world's leading expert on squid behavior? The answer is somewhat convoluted, but that is exactly what William Gilly has done. When it comes to understanding the behavior, physiology, and ecology of the Humboldt, or jumbo squid, Gilly is the man. Or perhaps we should refer to him as the Squid Kid. Gilly received a BSc in electrical engineering from Princeton University and a PhD in physiology and biophysics from Washington University in St. Louis, after carrying out his thesis research at Yale University Medical School. He was a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Pennsylvania in the Department of Biology and Physiology, and began working with squid during this time at the Marine Biological Laboratory, Woods Hole, Massachusetts. William Gilly is currently a professor of biology at Stanford University and is based at Hopkins Marine Station in Pacific Grove, California. His highly acclaimed research has focused primarily on squid and oceanographic changes in the Gulf of California and Monterey Bay. His group of researchers achieved notoriety when they deployed pop-up satellite tags and video monitoring devices to study the large Humboldt squid. Utilizing the National Geographic device CritterCam, they actually strapped cameras right onto the bodies of the squid, allowing them to record their second-to-second vertical movements and color-changing behavior.
The footage we got showed several really interesting things to me. One was that when the squid swims, it can change the size of its funnel, which is the thing under the body where it shoots exhaust water out, so it can change the diameter of that, and that would be a way of generating propulsive thrust in a very controlled way. It'd be like blowing up a balloon and letting out little bits of air rather than letting it all out at once. They have the ability to completely flash the chromatophores, the color-changing organs, all over their body in synchrony, and that also we knew before, but what we didn't know is how they do it naturally. And so with the CritterCam, we were able to see that the only time they seem to do that when they're swimming around in the ocean on their own is when they encounter another squid of the same type.
The author of numerous peer-reviewed publications, Dr. Gilly served as one of the highly esteemed scientists in the documentary television series, The Future is Wild. His work has often been featured in popular media, including Ultimate Explorer's episode, Devils of the Deep, on National Geographic TV. Today, Dr. Gilly also directs the outreach program Squids for Kids, which provides free science education materials to K through 12 classrooms on the huge, mysterious Humboldt squid. From Moser Elementary School in Allentown to his postdoctoral studies at 2 Ivy League universities, this 1968 Husky, referred to simply as Gilly by his Dieruff classmates and his Stanford faculty colleagues, has always been known for his spirit of outdoor adventures. When he and his childhood buddies get together for their weekly Zoom happy hour, they often recall stories of nighttime fishing trips, overnight canoe trips on the Delaware River, and dressing up in costumes to go to the Allentown Fair. And where does Gilly want to visit every time he's back in town? Staley's, of course. The Dieruff High School Alumni Association is proud to salute Dr. William Gilly on his induction into the Alumni Wall of Distinction, class of 2020.